Hello students, get ready for your English class. Okay, I'm going to start your English class. Take out your English book and pencil and turn on page number 32. Page number 32. Our topic is H, capital letter H and small letter H. So today we will learn some uses of H. Okay, some uses of H. First, you write the date over here. I am writing the date of today. Today is 9/7/2020. So first you write the date. After you know the letter H, I'm sure. So first, as usual, first we recite this rhyme. Okay, you can see the picture of horse. Okay, so let's start. Happy the horse. You can see the horse. The name of this horse is Happy. What is the name of this horse? Yes, Happy. So Happy the horse had a farm to stay. You can see this is a farm to stay. This is the farm to stay of Happy. Okay. Happy the horse had a farm to stay, where he ran freely whole night and day. Where he ran freely whole night and day. There was water and bundles of hay. You can see for we need water now. So Happy also horse also need water to drink, and you can see here the bundles of hay. What is the meaning of hay? The Bengali meaning of hay is cord. Okay, so there was water and bundles of hay. Happy was sad as he had no one to play. Happy was sad as he had no one to play. Happy was sad. Why Happy was sad? Because he had no one to play. See, look, if you don't have any friend, if you don't have anyone around you, then you feel sad now. That is why Happy also was sad, because he had no one. Happy was alone. That's why he was sad. So let's again we will recite this rhyme, and you will loudly repeat after me. Okay, loudly. Happy the horse, he had a farm to stay, where he ran freely whole night and day. There was water and bundles of hay. Happy was sad as he had no one to play. So in this way, at your home, you will recite this rhyme several times with your parents. Okay. Now, as you know, one task is there. What is the task? We have to underline the words start with H. Okay, start with H. So let's start. So first word C, Happy, happy. So happy starting letter H. So underline this line. The horse. This is T starting letter. Leave it. HORSE. So what is the starting letter? H. Horse. Underline this. Had. HAD. Again, this is also starting letter H. Farm. Start F. To stay. Starting letter S. So leave it. Where. Starting letter W. Leave it. He start with the letter A. So underline this. Ran freely This is F, so leave it. Whole start W. Night starting letter N. And starting letter A. Day starting letter D. So leave this. There starting letter T, leave it. Was, W, leave it. Water starting letter W, leave it. And starting letter A, leave it. Bundles starting letter B, leave it. Of, O, leave it. Hay, Hay, hay. So starting letter H. Underline this word. Happy, again happy, starting letter H. Was, W, leave it. Sad starting letter S, leave it. As, A. He, H, starting letter S, so underline this. Had, again had, so H starting letter, underline this. No, N starting letter, leave it. One starting letter O, leave it. Two, T starting letter T, leave it. Play starting letter P, so no need to underline this. In this way complete it. Okay, this is your homework. Do it in your book. Okay, so here you can say 3 words. What are the words? Hut, H-U-T, hut. You can see this is the picture of hut. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. And hay, khor, H-A-Y, hay. Okay, learn these words and learn the spelling also. Understood? Now come to the next page. Page number 33. In this page you can see some words with their picture, isn't it? So we will first read out all the words. After that we will learn the spelling. Understood? So read out with me. First word, H-A-W-K, hawk. H-A-W-K, walk. Okay, H-A-W-K, hug. What is the meaning of hug? Hug. The meaning of hug is in Bengali it's called Baj Pakhi. Okay. Now helicopter. You can see the picture of helicopter. What is the spelling? H-E-L-I-L-I, helicopter, C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. When you read it out now, spelling also learn. Okay. Next, honey bee, modhumachi, honey bee. You can see the picture of honey bee. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. B, B-double-E-B. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. B-double-E-B, honey bee. Next, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. You can see you have learned this earlier, isn't it? H-O-R-A-C, horse. Next, hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. You can see the picture of his hippopotamus. Hippopotamus staying water, isn't it? H-I-P-P-O, hippo, P-O, paw, T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. Okay, hippopotamus. And our last word of H is honey. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. You can see the honey. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. Honey is very sweet, na? We love to eat it, isn't it? I also like honey. And we have every day we have little bit of honey. This is very helpful to our health. Okay. So read it out several times with your parents. After that, your homework, what you will do? You will all the word you will write in your English copy. Okay, all the word you will um, write in your English copy and write the date in your English copy. Okay, and learn all the spelling also. Okay, today I am ending here. Next class I will complete rest of this topic. Okay, so thank you very much. Stay safe and happy.